How's it going, guys? My name is Goldie here, and today we're in Hypixel. Yes, we're gonna play some mini game, and the let's play it it will not be continue because it can't it can't it can't it it just deleted my world. Okay, it just it just wait it just deleted it deleted. I don't know how. It's just deleted. It deleted. Oh, it deleted. So yeah, and Minecraft addictive and Shaggy is not gonna continue. Is feeling sad because they can't join on the server. So let's go read. Let's go. Let's play. Let's play. Good God, there's so many people. Let's play Simon Say. Simon Say. You go. We're on Hypixel. So let's check. Okay, we're waiting for another player. We're gonna wait first. Then I'll be back when when this thing starting right now. Okay. Don't throw yourself down. Not gonna do it. Don't jump. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. You are, yes. I'm not gonna do it. Anything. And I mean anything. Keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. I won. Next game is what? Is what? Is what? We're a piece of diamond like it. Oh, done. Next is what? What? Fly to the moon? This one? I don't. How? How did I do this? What? What? Huh? Oh, people. Here. I'm here. Why? I don't get it. Don't start early of the golden block. Here, not Sunday. Okay. This game is jump off the edge. Okay. I'll do it. Let's go. Okay, one. Don't throw yourself down. Okay. Find 5 apples in the chest. Apples. Oh, I lost. That's okay. Hide under the blocks. What blocks? What blocks? All blocks. I don't get it. Don't drop the TNT on your open locator. Not gonna drop it, bro. You won 6 points, but that's good. So we're gonna do one more, and I'm gonna end the episode here. We will wait until someone joins, and I'll see you again. So we're back, and here we go. Don't jump, okay? That's easy enough. That's easy. I want jump. Next game is what? Don't start on. Don't stand on your color okay. It's next. Okay. Oh god. Okay. This game is leather leggings. Yes. Leather leggings. I won. Next is what? Don't move. Not moving. Fly to the moon. Let's go. I feel this one, but I'm not gonna feel it. Okay. Yes. Next game is drop your tete in your event. You drop the TNT. Next game is what? Mine pipe purpose. I lost. Oh, damn it. Put punch someone but don't get punched. Nobody's on me. Oh god. I fell, I fell, I fell. I fell. I fell. Oh, fell. Don't break the glass block, okay? Ain't not doing that. Wala. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoy, and be sure to subscribe for more to join the club.